How to fix your Windows license will expire soon on Windows 11. So whenever you face this problem on your screen, then in order to fix this, first of all, what you need to do is make sure that Windows 11 is active. And in order to check that out, what you need to do is go to the search bar right here and go to settings, go to system settings right here, slide down and click on activation, and make sure that your Windows 11 is active right here, right? So after you've made that sure, then what you need to do is go to task manager, go to the search bar and type for task manager. And after you do that, slide down and search for Windows Explorer right here. Right click on it and click on end task. And after you have clicked on end task, then go to run new task again. And in this section right here, type explorer.exe and click on OK. Now after you have done that, go to the search bar again and search for CMD. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and inside the command prompt, type the command slmgr space -rearm. Click on enter. And after this pop-up appears on your screen, then click on OK and make sure to restart your Windows again. Now after you have had your Windows restarted, hold the Windows button and click on R. In this section right here, type services services.msc. Click on enter. And after you reach this page, search for Windows License Manager. And right here you can see the Windows License Manager service. Right click on it, go to properties and make sure that the startup type is disabled. And after you do that, then slide down again and go to Windows Update. And after you go to properties of Windows Update, make sure that the startup type right here is disabled as well. So these were some of the options that you can try out in order to fix your Windows license will expire soon on Windows 11 problem. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.